Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this playlist, currently we are exploring OOPS concept, and in today's video we will be exploring reference variables. For that, let's move to our destination folder. So this is our destination folder, and now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the folder is open in VS Code. Let's open today's file, which is reference variable, and today is day 41 as you know. The definition of this reference variable is on your screen, which is reference variable is a variable that points to the memory address of object. So explaining you the definition, when we create an object, the object gets stored in a random location in our memory. A reference variable is a variable which points to that memory location. So if there is no such variable, then the object is created in the memory, but we don't know the location of it, which means that the object is lost in memory. So this is the simple concept of reference variable. Now let's understand the concept using coding. So let's move ahead. So this is class ATM, and I have kept the code of lecture number 36 as it is so that you can understand the concept very easily. So declaring a constructor, add details method, display details method is same, creating a user. So the picture comes here. So this is the main part of today's video. So as you can see, we are normally creating an object and storing the address of that object in this variable. So in our case, user1 is the reference variable. We normally call this as object, but technically speaking or logically speaking, this is the object, and we are storing the address of that object in user1, so that whenever we require, we can go to memory address of that object and do various stuffs that we need. So this is a normal way to store the address of that object. We can also create object in this format available in line number 29. So let's run the code so that you can understand the output first. I will show you the object is created by this line also. So this is the output of today's video. As you can see, 2 times constructor is called, but we have only created a constructor once. And here is the address of that memory. As you can see, it is in hexadecimal, and this is the address of the second object, which means that object is created, but the location of that object is never stored. That's why the object is lost in the memory. And I have simply written the same concept here, which is the object is created in memory but it's lost, as the address of object is not stored in any variable. Therefore, in above example, user1 is a reference variable. So whenever we create an object, we can't say that this is the object. Actually the object is this only, but we store the address of that object in variable, and that variable is called as a reference variable. So this was a small concept that I wanted to explain you using this code. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries while running the code, or you don't understand specific concept of this video or this playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram and in comment section below. Also, the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.